So my rule of thumbs for degree of difficulty is darker, easier than lighter. Up to a certain point, high chatoyance, harder than low chatoyance. Now you get up to a certain point, like if you're working on a crazy 10 tops that's got like, like intense flames, at some point something becomes so figured that you're actually able to fake a grain line. And even though your faked grain line, it won't do the same thing that the other grain lines are doing. There's so much going on that it'll distract from your fake grain line. The other degree of difficulty is if it has color or it doesn't have color. Like if you're trying to use color to make wood look like different wood, whether older wood or slightly different species of wood, like there's no paint in the world that's going to make red maple look like sugar maple. Like you can't get there from here. You could do a good repair, you could get something that look pretty good, but you're not going to paint from one species of highly chatoyant wood to the next and come up with anything that's invisible. So, and this repair is not invisible. It kind of looked invisible in the thing there, but I would just more qualify this as a good solid repair, So, and it certainly would be something that, I think most customers would be pretty jazzed on. If you can nail mahogany, if you can nail rosewood, if you can do a passable job on color situations, like if you can, get into the fade of a sunburst and do a halfway decent, touch up in a sunburst, it's going to be good. We got two things. We got top splines, and we got sticking with mahogany, but going to SG style, where we're going to like get into airbrushing. And then also we're going to talk about edging. I'm also going to do some stuff on do-overs. I think on the SG style mahogany thing, that would be a good one for taking an attempt back off to retry it. I'll do a poll in the Patreon, and you guys can decide what we're doing on that. If you're upset that things didn't go well on your touch up, or maybe you've had a few too many fumes, wait a while. Don't drive angry.